Well, hey, I gotta go, man.
Well,
it's like an old standard. Silent night.
That's good.
Holy
That's good, man.
Seems like a play on silent.
Oh, yeah. It just needs to be more silent, though, man. No, man, I'm trying to write a song about Santa Claus, man.
Santa Claus?
Yeah, you know.
I played with those dudes, man.
Santa Claus?
The salsa band, right? Like 15 guys from Colombia.
No, man. Santa Claus is not a salsa group, man.
Well, they broke up, huh? Oh, yeah. You can't make money with 15 dudes, man.
No, man.
Shit, that's war.
Santa Claus is not a group, man. Santa Claus is one guy, man.
One guy?
Yeah, he's got a red velvet suit on with black pant leather boots, man.
The rapper. Yeah, I played with him too, man.
No.
He said he was 50 Cent's cousin, you know. But he rapped so bad, we used to call him Nickel.
No, man. Santa Claus is not a rapper, man. Shit. Where you from? You never heard of Santa Claus?
No, I'm not from here, man.
Oh, where you from?
Passaic.
That explains that shit, man. Hey, well, I'll tell you a story about Santa Claus, man.
Okay,
so like once upon a time, like about 5 years ago, there was this dude and his name was Santa Claus, man. He was a big old fat jolly guy, man. Had a big ass white beard, man. He used to go ho 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 ho. You know, like Tupac Shakur. Hey, ho ho ho. You know, remember? And he was married to Mrs. Santa Claus. And Mrs. Santa Claus is a big fat gordita, man. And she didn't have a white beard. Well, she had a little bit of a beard, man. But she had little glasses too. But she used to make brownies and tea.
Oh, brownies,
yeah, brownies.
Oh, fuck, man. Brownies, they're dangerous, man.
Yeah, no shit.
Whoa, man, I made a brownie the other day. Almost killed me, man.
Really? What? Why did you do that?
Well, I made it, so I knew how much weed was in it. You know? So after I made it, I just took a tiny little bit and just ate it, tasted it, you know? But that little bit got me so fucked up, man. I ate the whole thing.
Oh, man. What'd you do that for, man? How did it feel?
Man, I was in a coma for 3 days.
Bad, man.
But the good news, it cured my cancer.
Oh, really?
Woo! Yeah, I asked the doctor, and he said, well, I think what happens is that the cancer cells get so fucked up, they forget why they're there.
That's a good point there, man.
And that's like, technically.
That's technically, proven technically.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, cool, man. Well, that's a good thing.
So tell me more about this dude.
Well, listen, Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus, they lived next door to me in the projects, man, you know. And we used to chill and drink tea and eat brownies all day, man. And they were really kind people. You know what they used to do, man? They used to take in midgets, man.
Midgets?
Yeah, like foster midgets, man.
Adopt them?
Yeah, they had a whole bunch of them, man.
You're kidding.
All races, all sizes, man. They had this one little Mexican chick, man. His name was Consuelo.
Yeah.
That was Guelo, too, man. Like on there. And
well, that explains something.
what?
You never see homeless midgets.
No, see? Yeah, they used to take them all in, man.
Yeah, they're all with Santa Claus.
And this old lady, man.
Oh, that's cool.
We used to let them, had these little places out in the back, they used to let them stay there for nothing, man.
Their pads?
Yeah, the pad, they call them stay-free mini pads, man. Yeah, for little foster babies, man. And they can stay there, no strings attached. Nothing, man.
That's funny, man.
Yeah, they were free.
I smoked a Tampax once.
Really?
Yeah. Wasn't bad, had a real familiar taste. Gave a new meaning to cotton nose, though. And I think I got PMS because I started crying for no reason. I'm fat.
No, you're not fat. Well, no, you're not fat. Shit, man. Anyways, we used to have fun with it. Me and Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus.
Oh, yeah, we're still talking.
Yeah, there you go. And the foster midgets, man, we used to chill, man. But the foster midgets, they used to work all the time, man. They made toys all year round, man. Airplanes and video games and shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, he put those little fuckers to work.
Yeah, shit, man. And at the end of the year, Santa Claus would take all the toys that the foster family just made, man, and put it in a big ass chopping bag.
Yeah.
And he would take that chopping bag and he would put it in the sleigh, man. The dude had a sleigh.
No, hold on. What's a sleigh?
It's like a lowrider with no wheels, man. Right on the ground, man. Low
Oh, I like lowriders.
Yeah.
What kind of motor did he have?
Oh, he didn't have no motor, man. He had reindeer.
Reindeer?
Yeah. Reindeer.
What's a reindeer?
It's like a deer that got left out in the rain or something, man. Because they were little, like they shrunk, man.
Oh, he liked the little things.
Yeah, and then they would hook the reindeer up to the sleigh. They would stand up in the sleigh and go, on Donner, on Blitzen, on Chewy, on Tavo, come on, Beto. And the sleigh would fly, Holmes. And the reindeer would fly, and they fly all over the world. And they would deliver boys and girls toys all over the world. And check it out, they did it in one night, man.
Now, how the fuck did he do that?
Took the freeway,
No, man. How did he get all that shit up in the air to fly, man?
Oh, he had magic dust, man. Yeah, a little bit of magic dust for Santa. A little bit for the reindeer. A little bit more for Santa. A little bit more for Santa. More for Santa. And then when I got on top of the roof, by that time he was so skinny, he went right down the chimney, man. He started in the living room.
Oh, so this dude's a tweaker.
Yeah, man. Fuckers think they're drinking their milk, eating those cookies.
See, that makes sense, man. Because tweakers are the only people I know that'll break into your house and leave your shit.
Yeah, man. They can look around and then crawl back up the chimney and get in the slam over the next place, man. But he had to quit it because it got to be too dangerous, man.
Really?
Yeah, he was over Afghanistan, got hit by a drone, man.
And he probably had to go to rehab, too.
Yeah, shit, so, man, he doesn't do that shit anymore, man.
So he quit?
Yeah, well, he still does it, man. He comes back in disguises now.
Like what kind of disguise?
Well, you seen him in front of the department store ringing that bell in front of that black cop, man?
I played with that dude, man.
What?
In front of Macy's, yeah. We made a shitload of money, man.
Man, Santa Claus is not a musician, man.
Hey, tell me about it. He didn't know any tunes, man.
Oh, man, come on, help me work on this song, man.
Okay, man.
Santa Claus is not a musician, man.